Hello everyone. Humans represent the most common form of life. There are additional requirements such as differentiation, respiration, digestion, and excretion. All these processes are interrelated. So today let us discuss about one such process in our chapter Life Processes. The first subtopic is transportation in human beings. The transport system in animals is called the circulatory system. Human circulatory system consists of blood, blood vessels, heart, and lymph. The components of blood are blood plasma and blood cells. Blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels. First one is arteries, which carries oxygenated blood from heart to all the body parts except pulmonary artery. Second one is veins. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to heart except pulmonary vein. And the third one is capillaries. The third component in human circulatory system is heart. It is a muscular organ. Heart has four chambers in it, and they are left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, and right ventricle. Now let us understand circulation in heart. Blood flow starts from the lungs. Oxygenated blood is brought by the pulmonary vein to the left atrium. Then blood reaches to the left ventricle from the left atrium. From the left ventricle, oxygenated blood goes to all body parts through aorta. From all the body parts, blood is brought to the right atrium by the vena cava. Blood goes to right ventricle from right atrium. From right ventricle, blood reaches to the lungs through pulmonary artery. So, this was about circulation in heart. Lymph is the fourth component of human circulatory system. Lymph is a colorless liquid. It is collected in intracellular space from the blood. Lymph also helps in transportation of nutrients. Since we discussed transportation in human beings, now let us discuss transportation in plants. Transportation of water takes place in the plants through xylem tissue from roots to the leaves. Transportation of food takes place in plants by the phloem tissue from leaves to all the body parts of the plant. Now let us discuss about excretion in human beings. The process of removal of waste products from the body is called excretion. Excretory system is responsible for excretion in human beings. It includes pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and urethra. Kidneys. Two bean-shaped kidneys placed in dorsal side of abdomen. Filtration of blood is taking place in kidney. Each kidney contains millions of filtration units called nephron. Ureters. Ureters are the slender tubes that carry urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a muscular bag-like structure that collects and stores urine, and urethra is an opening through which urine is passed. Now, let us take a look at excretion in plants. Oxygen is a waste product in photosynthesis that is utilized in respiration. Water is another waste product in photosynthesis which is excreted through transpiration. Plants also excrete waste products in the form of resins, gums, etc. So, this was all about our lesson Life Processes. Studying about life process is important as it is necessary for survival. These basic essential activities performed by an organism are called life processes. Processes like transportation help in the maintenance of living organism. A slight disturbance in any of the life process disturbs the functioning of the whole body. Thank you everyone.